We're the Traveling Tsinelas at kung saan man kami dalhin ng aming mga tsinelas, samahan niyo kami. Today, we're bringing you along on our Day 3 Honda Bay Island hopping and our Day 4 Puerto Princesa day tour. For our Honda Bay Island hopping, we decided to DIY our trip instead of booking a tour. And as you can see, our family chose to pay for the whole boat worth 1,800 pesos and the entrance fee for two islands, Luli Island and Kauri Island. Now getting to the wharf is very easy and everything you need to know is in the description box below. Our first stop was at Luli Island, the island that disappears and reappears depending on the tide. And as you can see, by God's grace, from a rainy morning, the weather turned around and provided us with calm waters and beautiful skies. You can also find here the famous sandcastle we always see on Instagram or Pinterest. We spent the longest here while enjoying the hammocks and large swimming area before leaving for our next island. Next up was Kauri Island, which had a place to order food and a large area to roam around with benches, bahay kubo, tables and chairs, all for you to settle down in. While the swimming area was not that big compared to Luli Island, it was a beautiful place to take pictures. And after a while, as the sun rose to its peak, we then decided it was time and set off back to the mainland. For our Day 4, we booked a Tricycle Day Tour. We were glad our driver, Sir Tux, was kind enough to still brave through the dreary weather, bringing us to Puerto Princesa's day tour spots, picking us up from our accommodation and also bringing us back after the tour. Our first stop was at Baker's Hill. Now this had a lot of aesthetic spots to take pictures, and for our foodies out there, you're also given the option to order from their restaurants or to buy baked goods from their store. We recommend buying your Baker's Hill pasalubong here. We then had a quick stop at Mitra Ranch, which was owned by the late Senator Ramon Mitra, who was a prominent Filipino diplomat. Now, our family actually planned to come here because of the famous rainbow slide. However, due to the bad weather, we weren't able to go on the slide. So we then went on to our next and last stop, which was the Amaza Pasalubong Center. We spent our time here roaming around, picking and purchasing trinkets and gifts to bring to our friends and loved ones. And that is it for Day 4. For our fifth and last day in Puerto Princesa City, it was yet still another rainy morning going to the airport. But it had that bittersweet feeling since we did grow to love the city and the 10 out of 10 experience we had. Now, this was our first time ever seeing the inside of the Puerto Princesa International Airport. And mind you, it was beautiful. From the convenient hassle-free flow of airport traffic to architecture and waiting areas, this airport would easily be in our top 5 in the Philippines. We ordered food from their stalls in the second floor. And a huge shout out to SBC's Yummy Cookies. And in a few hours' time, we were then bound for home. And that ends our Puerto Princesa Palawan trip. Thank you for watching and see you in the next feature.